Want to know how to get coins fast in Coin Master? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Coin Master game, and once you have opened it up, you should be under the spinner. So if you're not on your spinner, you can just simply scroll up and see the spinner. So in order to get a lot of coins, what you need to do is you need to just simply keep spinning. So make sure your spinner has full value as well, so it's full, and then just simply spin again and again until you get 3 coin bags at the same time. So you can just simply hold on until you get some spinning and do some raids and also attack in order to get this. So as you can see right here, as I keep spinning, I'll get more and more and more money, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you on the next one.